Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm taking you to the wonderful Word Android Masterclass, setting everything by to get started. That means it's a first step you to install the Android Studio, right? There is a software where it is a open source. You can download it from the Android Studio org, right? I'll take you to that. So please wait little moment. Right. So there is a download on us today. If you Google it, there is a search browser. You download Android Studio. There is a pop-up. There is a link on download the Android Studio. It'll take you to that website, official website developerandroid.com. There you can click download button is there. Then you can ask you to read all the document agreement it. Then you can download it. You can directly download. So wherever you want you can download it. The download, as soon as your download is finished, the exe file is available for installation. Then if you double click, there is one pop-up menu will come. Welcome to Android Studio setup. Then you give a next. There is an option as there. Ideally you can select Android virtual device. You click it, right? So give next. Give next. Then it'll ask you to change the path. No need to change. It can be retained as a custom path. It will always stored in the program files. Then give next. Then we'll take it to the finish. Once the finish, there is two options available. One is a previous version. It will override it, or if you can go with the don't import the previous settings. Just you can give like that. So automatically it will open up the welcome Android Studio. Then you can start. uh, there are there are two options will come: standard and custom. Standard and custom. So better you have to go with the standard one. Then you have to select the standard and give next. Then two options will come. One is darker light version, other one is the lighter version. Which is best for your background, you can select it. For me I'm selecting a lighter one, which is gray color. For any developer, which is that color, it suits okay for a longer period of work. So we'll take it to the next level. That level it configure all the verify all the setting. Your SDK is installed, and what is the memory is required for it, and all the hardware relevant hardware is installed or not. We'll check verify it. Then once the all verification is done, then almost it has been installed automatically. Need not to worry about it. Directly give a finish. Then so these are all a component is required for development of any application. Then give finish. It take little time for installation. Please wait for it. Is depending on your mobile internet speed. So how quick is download it. So then once the download is over, it will ask you to finish it. It will finish it. Then this menu will open. Then give that. So this startup new Android Studio project. When you give that, it will take time to load. So that once load it, there are multiple tabs will come. The phone and tablet, where operating system, TV, Android, and other things out of thing. So many things are will come, but many activities. We can able to develop your own project on many devices. But for us, it is a time being. I'm selecting a phone tablet activity. There are multiple activities available, but better you have to go with the no activity, basic activity, empty activity, empty compose activity. So better you have to choose the empty activity. So there is no activity you are conducting, that you can choose it directly. Okay, give next. So then it will ask you to write a program name. a file name, that you can file name you can give hello world. I'm first program, since it is have to tested it, then give that. So there is a package name which is a one have to be maintained uniquely all application, that automatically that default one com.example dot file name. But so you can configure your own package name, that also possible. In our case euro dot tutorial dot hello world. So but for your case dot examples dot hello world will come. So the next save location, where do you want to store this particular application, that will show you sir. Then there are two languages available, one is language Kotlin, other one is Java. But in our case always go with the Java. So default one is Kotlin, I'll go with the Kotlin. Even Kotlin you can install also, not a problem. You can able to do the Java program, and whatever you are doing on Java, same thing you can do it on the Kotlin also. But the thing little difference is there, that it can be explained little later. So right, so next you have to select the minimum SDK. Minimum SDK as many options is provided, but better you have to go with API 16 Android 4.1 Jelly Bean, which is applicable almost 99.6 uh, uh, best for many devices. That means most of the people are using this kind of SDK. So that is 99.96, right? So you can also select many other options, but it is depending on your application. If you want to go with the new uh, overall any versions, but the usage of that Android, it is only 62% or 6%, right? So better you have to choose it best. Yeah, whatever the application you have developed, that should be useful for almost all the devices. The legacy is Android support library, which will not require for us. It is already the new version has come there. You can give a finish. So once a finish has given, so there is a file, will take you to the file. So that file, as the menu means just like a editor, it is a studio. There are two option will come, two files automatically create. So before that, activity main dot xml and main activity dot java or kotlin will create, right? Another one is a tip of the day will come, which will give you idea. So how to use the shortcuts, any many tips are will come. It to day will change, don't worry about that, it not required. You can directly cancel it, go to the program. So the your file is created. So there you wanted, you can change the settings, you can change. Go to the file, go to setting, then select that appearance means already you have selected Durala. The 16 has given for the 5 font size of the entire editor. So that will be the best for you to see. 16 I'll make it, that is a custom size. You can also change editor font, editor fonts, that is go to the editor, and font size, there is a editor, there is a font. Always I using a 24 is a size of the font, that it is a 24, it is a default one. That's enough for us to explain you people which is visible. Okay, so that also possible. Many other options is available. You can change the color of the background, that also possible. If you go with the lighter one, how intelligent, look at that. So that is very hardly seeing, right? So very hard, right? Don't want to go with that. So I'm just come back to the Durella. So that color is my favorite, you can go with that, right? So okay, right, thank you.